All right, Cody, this is your daily vertical bar chart of First Mining Finance Corp here. This is the same ticker, I believe, ffmgf. Let's take a look here. Yes, sir. All right, so we do have a improving RSI. The Stowe's actually getting ready to give a buy signal, but really what stands out is we do have this consolidation period, but this here is a nice change in character, right? We have this huge climactic volume here, very bearish close, and then we rally away from it. Now we're back testing it, and there's not as much supply. So I mean, that's a very good speculative position. Not to mention that the relationship of that close did not close above this prior level resistance. Very aggressive downward force, essentially confirming this prior level resistance as support. So I think you have to be long this above 45 cents, even 42.50 along the lows that's here. Relative strength has just kind of been a little neutral, I'll say. The performance from the sector, very strong sector, and as an industry, it's been kind of flat. But if we look at a point and figure chart here, I've had to change it to, so the default is it goes to traditional. So I changed this to user defined, and I had to use a 1 box reversal and then a 5-cent box size. And then now we have something that's a little bit more visually easy to consolidate. So if we go back to the vertical bar chart, we can reference, here's a consolidation period that we're looking at, and right around May. So we look at the point and figure, we're right here at May, so April, May. But if we just go ahead and count these, these vertical columns, that'll help us clarify what our objectives are. And I counted all these through here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 times 0.5, 35 cents. We probably should drop this, this one here, and then just count those 6 and give us a 30-cent move, which is into the 80-cent price target. So I think it's a pretty good find. Potential change of behavior, bullish absorption that's here. And looking at the point and figure chart, I'm not seeing that supply is expanding. We're starting to see some demand. And your actual stop, if you're going to use a point and figure chart the way that you should, your stop would be 40 cents, which leaves you, some downside exposure. But that's how we're supposed to use a point and figure chart for price projections, and then locate when that reversal size is and where you'd be stopped out at. So good chart. That's how I would do it. Thanks for sharing it.